Why does Vitalik Buterin strongly believe that Cardano will reach $100? This and more updates about Cardano in this video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. Cardano enthusiasts have pondered the possibility that ADA coin will reach $1,000 for some time now, especially since Cardano has been in the bear market for a few months. And what's in store for the world's first peer-reviewed crypto altcoin in the future? With Cardano's ability to grab a considerable crypto space in just a few short months, several analyses conclude that it is possible to see Cardano eventually surpass $1,000. Additionally, various cryptocurrency experts, including Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, have firmly believed ADA can reach $1,000 price soon, despite some skepticism. As an exciting cryptocurrency project with one of its most active communities and a thorough development process, Cardano is highly regarded. Several of these developments have prompted Buterin to advocate for the blockchain and express strong faith in it. Thus, during today's episode, we will tell you how Vitalik views Cardano and why he believes ADA could surpass $1,000 soon. Don't miss out on this video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. First, let's take a quick look at the current cryptocurrency market trends and Cardano's standings. Based on the historical price chart of ADA, the cryptocurrency reached an all-time high of $3.10 last September 2nd. Then last May 16th, during the broader cryptocurrency rally, it achieved its previous all-time high of $2.46, showing a 26% increase. After IOHK developers announced Cardano testnet smart contracts on September 1st, the price shot up. Meanwhile, the value of Cardano's coin reached its all-time high in September and has dropped since then. On September 8th, traders took profits and the price fell back below 2.50 cents as the gain was not sustained. The price has continued to decline to a one-month low of 1.92 cents on September 21st. Then Cardano had a 24-hour ADA price of $1.19 during March, a decrease from its previous price of 2.1%, and its market cap was $38.22 billion at the end of March. During a recent podcast clip on his YouTube channel, Lex Fridman interviewed Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin about various topics related to cryptocurrency, including his former co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Initially, Buterin stated that the various books about Ethereum would speak for themselves when asked about his relationship with Hoskinson and why they fell out. In addition, Buterin spoke candidly about their relationship. In addition, Buterin said that Hoskinson had grown and matured in many ways. In addition, he said that 2021 Charles is very different from 2014 Charles, and he is sure that 2021 Vitalik is very different from 2014 Vitalik. Afterward, host Fridman asked to divide what he thought about Cardano. Despite a few reservations, his response implied that he strongly believed ADA's price would eventually rise. Cardano's gradual development stages, unlike Ethereum, need to be peer-reviewed by experts, according to Vitalik. Although the testing process means that blockchain developments are slower than Ethereum, he said that this helps to solve scalability and other concerns associated with Ethereum and its blockchain. In light of this, an expert in Ethereum crypto believes Cardano will take a little longer to reach $1,000, but its new blockchain will ensure its success. According to the crypto champ, their platforms demonstrate different approaches, clarifying that unlike Ethereum, where intuition-based arguments are increasingly used, Cardano uses academic proofs. Although Cardano is different from Ethereum, Buterin, one of the most influential people in cryptocurrency, says it is going to be an exciting year for the technology. Nevertheless, IOHK research has produced some very interesting results. Despite Buterin's criticism of the proof of stake, he suggested it was a project that will help Cardano become more popular since investors increasingly consider proof of stake as an alternative to proof of work. Therefore, the platform will experience a price increase and possibly hit $1,000 in the future. During his speech, he suggested that the two could join forces in the future and create some new developments. In response to the question of whether they can put the past behind them and work together, he said they can, but not necessarily as the best of friends. He expressed a belief that such things could be possible, that people could change and reinvent themselves constantly, and that such things are possible, he told the podcast host. When Buterin was asked what the role of deep research rigor in cryptocurrency is, he went on to say that he thinks he is overvalued and that such projects often value having a large degree over anything else. In addition to his belief in Cardano's growth, Ethereum co-founder Buterin told the podcaster that rigor in academic studies is highly overrated since it could lead to a chain reaction of errors. In addition, Ethereum is more adept at handling the heuristic argument since it aims to be as fast as possible. Rather than presenting theoretical solutions, he explains heuristics is a practical solution to problems. Moreover, the cutouts of formulas must be approved by an academic peer review committee, thus being a time-consuming process. However, according to Hoskinson, Cardano's design tends to improve on Ethereum's design. And during a video speech from the hotel room in Miami, where he was attending the Bitcoin 2021 conference alongside Buterin, Hoskinson replied to Buterin and said that back in 2013, he was building the Ethereum project, and his opinions made him unpopular with Ethereum developers. Cardano's founder went on to say that if development were hurried and adoption soared to a point where modifications could no longer be implemented, then the result might be tragic and a flawed application. With Cardano's proof-of-stake, energy consumption for currencies can be limited, and it's cheaper and faster than proof of work. And the use of blockchains and databases that can be authenticated by a third party without the need for a third party. For the systems to function, they need a process of validation to ensure the transactions are correct and nobody is tricking the system. Bitcoin and Ethereum, contrary to Cardano, accomplish this through a system called proof of work. And because of its high energy consumption, this has recently been criticized. And despite its security, it has the disadvantage of being more expensive and slower than other ways to validate transactions. For the cryptocurrencies to be interoperable, Charles Hoskinson created Cardano so they could share features. With both programs, smart contracts can be developed, digital contracts that rely on blockchain technology to verify transactions. In some circles, smart contracts are considered a potential game changer for society, particularly in the legal sector. In the early stage of the project, the Ethereum team included 8 developers working with Vitalik Buterin and Charles Hoskinson. Despite this, the two co-founders were unable to agree on the future of the project, where Buterin wanted Ethereum to remain a non-profit institution with open-source software and decentralized governance. Hoskinson, on the other hand, was considering accepting capital and creating a for-profit venture. Having left Ethereum in June 2014, Hoskinson teamed up with a former colleague, Jeremy Wood, to launch a new project. Then, working collaboratively, they built blockchain systems for clients, including the Cardano project, which hosts its native cryptocurrency ADA. During the Cardano Summit in late September, the IOHK system announced several Cardano crypto news projects. For instance, Cody, a platform that issues stable coins on the Cardano network, has announced a new stablecoin called Tjed. Also, Cardano will secure its records on the Cardano blockchain by partnering with Veritree, a company that verifies tree plantings and restores the land. Additionally, it will assist Rival, an esports and gaming platform, to build NFT marketplaces and fintech funds to launch a public staking pool in Colorado. Aid Tech also provides technical guidance for payment and insurance products using identity-based finance. Additionally, OHK announced a new Cardano investment fund that plans to invest $6 million in blockchain projects across Africa. Then IOHK later announced that it had entered into a partnership with Dish Network to explore the possibility of using the Cardano blockchain technology across satellite TV and mobile phones. In the process of integrating sidechains within the Cardano's platform, it has begun seeing some success. Then they presented a well-planned method for generating proof-of-work evidence called non-interactive proofs in a recent paper published by IOHK. The Cardano project is looking to adopt this approach to a proof-of-stake setting, and by combining it with some smart engineering, they hope to develop a comprehensive understanding of established cryptocurrencies. In addition, IOHK aims to create an environment whereby blockchains are capable of communicating with one another, making them less isolated and more intricately interconnected. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.